You have been using this skill every single day at work and probably didn't realize that the same skill can help you make money online. No, it's not something fancy or new. It is the invisible skill that make business run but rarely get recognized. Let's uncover it. I'm going to reveal in this video that one invisible skill that you have been using all along in your career and show you how you can turn it to income using AI tools. You don't need to be a marketer, influencer, or a coder. You already have what you need. You haven't looked at it this way before. So let me reveal that one invisible skill. So, what is invisible skill? The one invisible skill which you have been using in your career for maybe 5 years, 4 years, or 10 years, that is problem solving. Now, before you roll your eyes or think that that's so simple, hear me out. Think about your workday. Whether you are in HR, you are in IT, you are an engineer, you are architect, you are a doctor, what do you actually do? You solve problems. And for that, your boss pays you because you help them solving their problem. Simple. So, for example, a client send you an angry email and you fix the situation. That is your job. A process is broken and you figure it out. How to fix it? That is your job. Your team is unproductive. You are the one who reassign, restructure, and communicate. That is your job. You notice something is slowing it down. You make it better. This is your job. This is what you are doing whole day in your job. In different industries, you are doing the same thing. That is problem solving. Because we are doing it on daily basis, so we don't realize that what we are doing actually. We don't see it as a superpower. And we assume that everybody can do it, but they cannot. You have been quietly building a monetizable skill set. And today we are going to surface it. So let me first talk about why this skill is monetizable. So here is the thing which most professionals don't realize actually. People don't pay for products, they pay for solutions. Your boss is paying you not what you are doing, they are paying you for the solution which you are providing them. You have built the skill which many people are struggling with. Knowing how to handle things when they go wrong, creating step by step methods that work, translating complex problems into simple actions. That is valuable, especially online. Because people who are stuck in anything in their life, for what they do these days, they just Google, they come on YouTube and finding the solution of the problem which they have. So what if you have that solution for their problem? And it could be any industry. Believe me, the online world is so much saturated and so many people are searching every day on YouTube that this is my problem, what is the solution? This is my problem, what is the solution? What can I do about this problem? What can I do about that problem? And if you are giving that solution to that specific problem which they have, that is your online business. So let me give an example. A finance assistant used to spend hours preparing monthly reports. She automated her workflow using Google Sheets. Now she sells $50 monthly report automation toolkit to freelancers and solopreneurs who hate spreadsheets. She didn't learn a new skill. She monetized what she was already doing because she finally realized the market value of her solution. That's exactly what you can do too. And why I'm addressing only professionals? Because many people ask me in like on my Instagram, I have my friends also, and everybody is not working professionally or not qualified. So they are asking why you're addressing only professionals. Because I address professionals because professionals don't need to learn any new skills. You already have skill, you already are using those skills. If you have 5 years experience, 10 years experience, you are doing the same thing repeatedly, like I am doing. I'm an architect and for last 20 years I have been doing the same thing with new additions, but I'm doing the same thing. So are you. Why don't you utilize the same skill for your own self? Now, let me tell you, AI makes it easier to package your solution. Now, here, real magic happens. You don't have to think about what to do about my skills, how to utilize that, how to monetize that. Just use AI for that. I am sharing a prompt with you. Just write it down. So here's the prompt you can use right now inside ChatGPT. I solve dash problem at work. Help me turn this into a checklist, course, or toolkit. For example, let's say you help your team reorganize the messy onboarding process. So what you can type, I solve disorganized onboarding problems at work. Help me turn this into a checklist, course, or toolkit. What ChatGPT will do? It might return with an onboarding process checklist, a mini course, how to set up a 30-minute new hire flow, or a toolkit, templates plus email scripts for new employee training. Want to go even further? Ask ChatGPT, write a landing page for this product. Or you can write, give me 3 email subject line to promote it. Or write a testimonial based on a client who saved time using this toolkit. Once you get all of them, then use Canva to design your toolkit, to design your template, to design your product like in PDF. Use Notion to organize your framework and use Gumroad to sell it simply. This is not theory. This is action. It is fast, low cost, and scalable. Ready to monetize your problem solving power? You don't have to start from scratch. Download my 70 ChatGPT prompts to create income outside your 9 to 5. Just customize it to your strength and hit publish. Link is in the description. Go grab it. You don't need more courses. You don't have to learn new skill. You already have skills. You just need a new lens, a way to see your current job as a business foundation. AI helps you do that. And I help professionals like you turn your work into wealth. Subscribe if you want to start looking at your job differently and turning your invisible skill into real-time income. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.